If you want him, let a prisoner down the hallway tears do. I stood up to say goodbye like all the rest, and I heard him tell the warden just before he reached my cell, let my guitar playing friend do my request. Let him sing me back home with the songs I used to hear, and make my old memories come alive. Take me away and turn back to years. Sing me back home before I die. I recall a sunny morning, a choir from off the street came in to sing a few old gospel songs, and one and little singers, there's a song my mama sang. Let my guitar friend play my request. Let him sing me back home with the songs I used to hear, and make my old memories come alive. Take me away and turn back the years. Sing me back home before I die. Let him sing me back home before I die. All right. Thank you, thank you.
Thank
And
you.
request down.